Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about using Django Messages Framework. The Django Messages Framework is an integrated tool enabling developers to exhibit messages to users post an action's execution. It proves advantageous for furnishing users with feedback like success, warning, or error messages. The messages are exhibited on the subsequent page reload following an action, ensuring users view the message before proceeding. For instance, imagine a user submits a contact form on a website. The Messages framework can be employed to display a message sent successfully notification on the next page load after the submission confirmation. This capability enriches user experience by providing prompt and relevant feedback. To utilize the Django Messages framework in your Django project, you begin by importing the Messages module in your views.py file using the statement from django.contrib import messages. Next, you can utilize the messages.success, messages.warning, and messages.error methods to exhibit varied types of messages to users. For instance, in a view function named myView, you can employ messages.success request success message to display a success message to the user. Upon executing this function, users will be presented with the designated message, in this case, success message. By following these steps and incorporating appropriate messages within your views, you can effectively communicate with users based on their interactions with your Django application. This functionality can enhance user experience by providing informative feedback or alerts as required. To display messages using a for loop in a template file, you can use the following code snippet. HTML sent for message in messages sent, div classic alert message.tag message. This code iterates over the messages list, displaying each message inside a HTML div element with the appropriate class based on the messages tags. This implementation allows for dynamic output of messages to users based on the content and styling defined for each message. For instance, in a web application, you can use this loop to show notifications, warnings, or success messages to users based on different events or actions they perform. Each message can be styled differently using CSS classes such as Alert Success, Alert Warning, or Alert Danger to provide visual feedback to users. To display a success message after submitting feedback in a web form, you can use the Messages framework in Django. 1. In your view function that handles the feedback submission, after processing the submission, you can use messages.success request your success message here to add a success message. 2. Ensure to import messages at the top of your views.py file. From django.contrib, import messages. 3. Inside your HTML template, use sent if messages sent, and sent for message in messages sent to display the messages. For example, after a user submits feedback in a form, you can notify them by adding feedback submitted successfully as a success message. This will then be displayed to the user when they visit the page containing the feedback form. The Django Messages framework is an effective tool for delivering user feedback in a clear and user-centric way. By integrating messages into your Django project, you can enhance the user experience and streamline communication. Consider utilizing various message types and styles to effectively convey information to users. For instance, display success messages upon successful form submissions, or error messages when there are validation issues. Tailoring the message content and appearance can significantly impact how users perceive and interact with your application. The Django Messages framework is like leaving sticky notes for yourself around the house. Each sticky note contains a short reminder or message for you to see. You can easily add or remove sticky notes as needed. Similarly, in a Django program, you can use the Messages framework to display short messages or notifications to users. These messages can be added dynamically based on user actions and easily managed within the framework. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning 24/7 support and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The provided code snippet showcases the usage of Django Messages Framework in a Django project. Here is a breakdown of the components involved. 1. Views.py. The analogy view function is defined to handle the analogy page. Messages of different types, info, success, and warning, are created using messages.info, messages success, and messages warning, respectively. These messages act as reminders for users, similar to sticky notes. Finally, the function renders the analogy template.html file. 2. Analogy template.html. This template file includes a simple HTML structure. It checks for any messages to display and iterates over them to present them in a list format. 3. URLs.py. The URL pattern for the analogy view is defined in the urls.py file, pointing to the /analogy/path. The analogy used in this example likens the Django Messages Framework to sticky notes placed around one's house. Each type of message corresponds to a different purpose, such as reminders or important information. When a user visits the analogy page, they will see these messages displayed, providing a visual representation of how Django messages can be managed and displayed to users effectively. One real-world application of using the Django Messages Framework is in e-commerce websites. For instance, when a user adds an item to their cart, a success message can be displayed using the framework, confirming the addition. Similarly, if there is an issue with the payment process, a warning message can be shown to alert the user. Another industrial use case is in a project management tool. When a task is successfully created or updated, an info message can be displayed to inform team members. In case of an error during task assignment, a warning message can be shown using Django Messages Framework to notify those involved. Incorporating the Django Messages Framework helps improve user experience by providing real-time feedback and notifications throughout different stages of interactions within the application. This enhances communication between the system and the users, ultimately leading to a more intuitive and user-friendly interface. Across the globe, these implementations showcase the versatility and practicality of Django Messages Framework in various industries, highlighting its significance in enhancing user engagement and improving overall user experience. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.